What is going on, everybody? Jonathan here. So, you're probably in class right now, and your teacher told you, I need you to write an argument. I need you to write maybe 500 words, a 500 or 1,000 word argument on X versus Y, this versus that. And that might be your homework tonight. I'm going to show you how you can do that with ChatGPT. And I'm not telling you to turn this in, but you could use it as it's kind of maybe a framework. Maybe you could read this one and make your own, right? I wouldn't just turn this in. That does nothing for you, man. So let's get right to it. So I'm going to write, and you're going to go into ChatGPT. I'm going to say, create a 750 word argument or essay that argues that a flat tax is better than than using income tax. Create a 750 word essay that argues that a flat tax is better than using income tax. Oh wow, it can generate over 600 characters. So here's how we can get around that. So I'm just gonna So here's how we get around this, okay? I'm gonna hit the subscribe button. That's the first way to get around this. Step number 2 is write me. So you could say, I'm writing a 750 word essay, or we'll just bump it up to 1,000 now that we're gonna hack around this. I'm writing a 1,000 word essay that argues that a flat tax is better than income tax. Please write for me an introduction paragraph and argue the first point. Okay, and then it crashes. Oh, we gotta refresh it, because for whatever reason this likes to crash. Introduction. Okay, here you go. A flat tax is also known as a proportional tax. It is a tax system that everyone pays into the rate, regardless of the income level. Has been a topic of much debate in recent years, with some arguing that it's a fairer system than the traditional income tax. In this essay, we examine the benefits of a flat tax system over income tax and why it's a better option. So point 1. Okay, there you go. So that's point 1. Now I can say, write me 2 more points in separate paragraphs and a conclusion. Point 2. So you could probably take out where it says point 1, point 2, right? So now it's going to say, so there's your introduction, your 3 paragraphs with 3 points, and then your conclusion. And that's how you write. That's how I would write a 1,000 word essay. And then you can take these points and craft them, customize them, or rewrite them, put it in your own words, something like that. But this is it's formulaic, dude. It's all about getting the formula down. You could even say, what is a good formula for writing a essay that argues one point over another, right? Give me a list of strategies. So this is something I can probably teach you guys, and this is something I've learned from programming too, is that if somebody tells you to do something, you can always go more abstract, right? And then go more specific. And this is an example of saying, let's go more abstract. Give me the formula. And then we can take that formula and then put it back into ChatGPT to create something for us. Start with an introduction that clearly states your argument and provides background information. Use a clear and specific evidence to support your information, such as statistics, research studies, expert opinions, and real-world examples. So I could say, hey, what are 3 real-world examples of a flat tax being successful? Estonia. See, now we're going to we're listing the countries, and then you might want to go and say, put into Google something like, tell me about Estonia's flat tax system, and then you can now cite sources. Oh, now we got a network error. Oh, I guess this is still writing, huh? Yeah, anyway, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, and tell me about some essays that maybe you're writing, maybe I can help you with, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.